Welcome back to our Git tutorial series. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of installing Git. Git is available on all major operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. For Windows users, you can download Git from Git for Windows, also known as Git Bash. This provides Git command line features and also includes a GUI. For Mac OS users, you can install Git using the built-in terminal program. If you have installed Xcode, Git is also included. For Linux users, Git is likely available in your default package manager. For Debian-based distributions like Ubuntu, you can use the command sudo apt-get install Git in the terminal. Remember, you can always verify your installation by typing Git version in your terminal or command prompt. This should return the version of Git installed. In the next video, we'll discuss how to set up Git. Stay tuned and happy coding!